Jahmiel, stop follow man, chat fuck crip and rhythm. Yes.
Bow! 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 Boom! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss, aka the Clash Hype Man. People, comment on this video. If you see a comment in the next video, if you see a comment over here, so big up yourself. Thanks for commenting on my videos. Thanks for the support. Thanks for watching my videos. But right now, the Clash Hype Man is in full effect. You did me I say, when I'm a bro god them, when I'm a subscribers them, I'm calling the bro god. You did me I say, say yo, Shawn start running out again. You know? Remember, Shawn start running out and bloodbath everything in a people. Right now, run out in a dog. What am I name? Crusader. Crusader. Everything dead in a dog. I'm telling you already, you know. I see what Shawn Storm do the zombie. Then me and some people want to go pre-Shawn Storm thing. I'm like, how not see the man thing now. I'm like, how the man thing them start tread now. Long time, man. Anyways, because the walk one man, Shawn Storm. Run tune.
I'm gonna bring the whole fucking diseased, corrupt temple
yeah.
in your head.
When you hear that? As somebody funeral that go on, when you hear the instrumental, turn. That means somebody will get murdered right now. People, remember not who my talk no man, run tune.
It's gotta be biblical.
Adi zombie. Man a be a zombie in the background, man. Pull me pray, man, for hold on, you know what? Corona soon done, you know, but wait. Look. Alright. And, you hear me? Corona soon done, you know, but you have to us. Yeah. Alright now. Run tune now.
That one I need me kill him. I'm willing, you're not from
wait. The man say come and kill him. The man say I'm willing to kill anything right now. People, I'm not who my talking. I'm not who my talk yet. Somebody just say, yo, him this somebody and the song for me I forward. I'm telling you already. I know I'm not to them yet. Then me I say, so I see what go on, no man. Running.
I'll rigging. Uptown killer them tell me if you kill him. Kill that a foreign mad, no one for Jim. Let me kill him.
Boy, the man say I kill you a foreign. I not who my talk yet, you know. But the man say I kill that a foreign, dog. Mad no one you because a foreign, you know. So you can't come mad at Jamaican. You have got to the foreign. I forgot bury your foreign. I forgot to throw you on the ground. Me no know. Run through Tyrekevlogs.
Jahmiel, stop follow man, chat fuck crip and rhythm. Yes, stop. Bow! Yo, remember that everybody says Jahmiel last song week, you know, nothing. I'm not to be the react to that song because I'm listening to it already. Everybody say, yo, Tyrekejt go pre-song. I accidentally got to the song before I turn on the camera. But everybody say the man song weak, dog. Them same song weak, brother. They say I have too much chorus in the song and thing, brother. Oh, God. I know it must say you chat be a folk creeper and read him. Jahmiel, you have to go answer Shawn Storm now because chronic class start look by you. So just answer Shawn Storm, dog. You did me I say, but that's all go on nice same way. You did me? So answer Shawn Storm and do the maths again. Because I see you see that you song out there. I know you have all for this song till then and wait, you know. But just change the name from chronic class to Shawn Storm. But run tune. Tell them, lame to grow up a fuck pigeon. Real killer circle, not chat now you're kidding. The Mac 90, boss excited. And the
man said about 90 bucks excited. Hold on, let me get back comfy. Alright. Oh, like the video if you not like the video yet. Subscribe to the channel if you not subscribe yet. And touch the bell if you not touch the bell yet. Because we are trying to reach 10,000 subscribers, you know. Run it now.
No way fire it no righted. No big stone or buckle me now fight with.
Yo, the man said now fight with no big stone and no buckle. I know the primary school days. I know I used to walk to school and play stone war. I know buckle war. I know stone war. You see me I say, I'm at 90 them and I use war. Yo, you have to come bad at that. Run tune.
Car to rifle I light with.
Shell on the men's, then go back, go low.
Bombona. You know the crime scene in the dog. You know look down there when them bomb down somebody ends in the dog. You see me I say, watch a drive by, go on the other party can't come back around. When the police them reach, I never made with it. Just look. That the man I got do. The man got shell in the ends dog. And then I come back and look on the crime scene and said so. Like I know him. I saw that man a bad. Yo, run tune.
It's the one that get it in 9 foot. Crusader badness, no me the evil book AK.
You see me?
You see me I say? So after I'm sharing the ends in the dog and he come back, come look and see if everything there. Cause drive by just go on now, man. You see me? Then they come back around on the ends and look and say, alright, so you never dead. Boom! Cause your foot didn't get shot in and look again. Them man not take no check, nothing left alive. Say my sharing the ends and man come back, come check and see if everything get bomb done. I saw them when I go to work. Run tune ya, man.
With the hook, the clip when I my kinda style it kinda wild, like a 6 pants without the recoil.
But now the man say him style them kinda wild, like a 6 pants without the recoil. Me don't know about gun. Me don't know about gun. Me don't know if you tell them to subscribe to the channel. I like your video. That's all I know about. Me don't know about gun. And then me I say, catch me on check on film. Check on film with them. Me love run. Yeah, me don't know about gun. But anyways, people want to think about that song. Me know down below the comment section. Did me I say, I'm gonna like on the video, I'm gonna say again. You see me I say, like the video, make everybody see it. Run through.
This the boss and you have to go drive, go find a chiropractic. Bullet will line no spine.
Hold on, this is the boss. Hold on, run through now.
6 pants without the recoil. Try this the boss and you have to go drive, go find a chiropractic. Bullet will line no spine.
Boy, we're not dead. Try your best, you know. Try your best, you know. Jahmiel, you may talk to dog. Are you the clash boss, you know, dog? You know me, I say, yo, Jahmiel, anybody answer the world, dog, you never know. Hey, answer the man, Jahmiel, like, you're general, you see me, I say, are you alone out there, the one of the man, the one, say, well, next MVP man, they want to set so dog, I look out of space, dog. Jahmiel, are you general in the dancer, Jahmiel? Answer the man, Jahmiel. Yo, you can't make the man there do your face, so Jahmiel. The man say attack me from already, me no Jahmiel, what you do? I hear the dandel, Jahmiel, the man them know say you're general, no bro, God. You hear me, I say, alright, run through now.
People believe me, I talk them. No say me evil, bumbo clock dog.
You mean if you know say evil? We know say the zombie, bro, God, what you mean? I let the body's artists right now in the dance hall, dog. Let's keep this in the one of them, brother, make dance hall go on nice. As me, I say, we like the vibe. We like when the zombie set us and step on them and say, hey, boy, bow, kill him. Bow! Drive by! Bow! Share the men's. You see me I say, we love it. So go and deal with it. Man, I forgot the critical. Hold on there, I get hot. Go and deal with it, bro, God. You see me? The brights are bumbo belt door. Level the vibes, huh? I feel a lot good. Cha, run tune.
Yeah, block claim say him run punish town. Any day me catch him in the park. Boy, me kill him. I'm willing. You're not.
Man say money if you kill anything in the people. The man say money if you kill anything in the people. You know, I'll go to the next verse, you know. I have to course again, I'll go to the next verse, you know, cause right now, dance are nice.
Go up a fuck pigeon, real map stick. Free make your head side leak, one gasket.
Whoa, map stick. Remember, they used to call alcohol map stick. Map head. Whoa, here a tune.
Riverton, Karalu bed, and nago wet. Me feel more happy when a man marrow spread. And a sound clap.
Man say feel more when a man marrow spread. John, dog. Yo. Why the zombie so evil? Why the zombie so bad? Why Tyrekejt try rap and him know say man on the bro God? Bam, bam, bam. I'll be a blank for boss a while ago and 10,000 likes for the video. I now start telling you to like the video, dog. You click on the video, you watch the video, you might just leave a like. You know how to just leave a like, dog. Just big up yourself. Run through.
That's when Kilimanjaro dead left a hole in your chest. Now talk Zaro said. My kind of fans them kind of mad. Say now.
All him fans them mad too, no dog. The man say him fans them kind of mad. Because me nah lie, don't think fans them afraid of him, people. I want to look at, check out bro God. Remember bro God? Well, bro sis, bro woman. Check out Mama, Jamaica Pineapple TV. Mama, anytime you see a Shawn stamp video, Mama say, hey, me afraid of you. Because what? She knows that the zombie mad. She do reactions to you can go pray out her thing. YouTube. But yo, she mad. We mad because we listen to Shawn Stamp say, well, we mad. I listen to Shawn Stamp and fans them kind of mad. I could hear what I'm saying right now.
One girl make she use a vagina pad, put in a the dread mouth. You is a swine, no God.
Hot! Ba 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 ba! Well, no one, nobody come see me for your shit over here. You know what? Nobody see me for your shit. Yo, you must say use a vagina pad. Use a swine or dread. Blood clot! That's like a hot man. People want to think about the song for you. Drop it down below in the comment section. I'm asking again, I want to think about the song. I don't know. I want to think about it. Song you kick out teeth, man. I run through.
Tap it in a trace cross face long time a fag. Them know say a world boss go on the globe. All when the media search and a probe.
Yo, people, let's say I'm going to know. Like a video, smash a like on the video for the enjoy the reaction and thing. Then I say, and comment down below. Anything you want to comment, then I say, big up on yourself. So, anything you want to say, you can say anything you want to say in the comment section. But make sure you say you really think hard because it's going to be right to say in the next video. Big up on yourself. So, we the boy Tyrekevlogs.